Hi guys, Abby here from the Physio Crew. Just wanted to do a quick video to sort of tell you a little bit about sports therapy and what it can offer and how do you know if it's the right thing for you. It's a common question that we get asked, what is the difference between sports therapy and sports massage? And also we get a lot of sports massage patients coming in that could really benefit from sports therapy. So I just wanted to sort of update you guys and let you know sort of what it is really. So it's an area of healthcare. Much like physiotherapy or osteopaths or chiropractors. So yeah, we're looking at healthcare and we focus on injury assessment and rehabilitation. So yeah, that involves assessing any problems or any issues that you have and that you feel that you have, trying to figure out what's going on, what could be causing the pain or what could be causing the problem or the restriction or anything like that. We'll assess, you come in with shoulder pain and we're not just going to look at the shoulder, okay? So with shoulder pain, commonly it can connect to the neck, and if there's like different movements in the neck, then it can affect pain at the shoulder, and equally, it can work down to the elbow as well. So although it would be a lot easier, if you came in and there was shoulder pain and we go, okay, right, we'll treat the shoulder, that would be great. Your body doesn't work that way. It's really clever and it finds out ways to cheat and to get around pain. So, and sometimes that can leave you with little niggles elsewhere as well. So we try and sort of treat holistically and see the whole body rather than just, the symptom that you came in with. So it'll be a 45-minute assessment where we'll go through some movements and I'll ask you some questions and we'll sort of try and do a bit of an investigation as to what's going on and where the problem is or where the issue is. So after that, we'll go through some of your goals and what you want to get back to and what your long-term goals are and what your short-term goals are. And we'll, specifically then tailor your programme to you. So obviously somebody whose goal is to get back to playing football in 3 weeks' time, they've got a really big, important football match in 3 weeks' time. And then somebody that goes, I just want to walk the dog without having back pain. They're going to be two really different approaches and they're going to have two really separate plans. So it's going to be really tailored to what you want to do and what your goals are. So we'll set you together we'll come up with some realistic but challenging goals. We want them to be realistic, but we also want to push you. We want to push you to get back to your optimum health as quickly as possible. So we'll set those goals out and then we'll set a plan. So we'll set a step-by-step plan to work towards those goals. So we'll break them down and then we'll set a plan to work towards them and what I can do to help you and then also what you can do to help yourself. So that'll involve sort of clinic sessions, so hands-on treatment, so maybe some soft tissue or some mobilisation, so some movement work throughout different parts of the body. We'll look at some movement analysis and so we'll see if we can help you move better. And also maybe, maybe some things like mobilisations or ultrasound if we think that that's necessary. And then, a really big part of it is going to be the exercises that we send you home with. So obviously you maybe get half an hour in clinic with me, but actually what you do with the other 23 and a half hours of the day is probably going to have a huge impact on how you progress and how we get you to those goals. So the clinic time is going to be really focused on optimising that healing time. So, there's not going to be a huge amount that we can do to speed it up. We'd love to, but, your body heals for a reason and it heals tightly. Different tissues have different times of healing. So we have to listen to your body, but we're going to optimise that healing and, help it along its way. We'll optimise that in the clinic sessions and then we'll send you home with some real specific rehab for you. So I know as a sports player that if I've got a ball in my hand, rugby ball, I can chuck that around. I'm more likely to be doing the exercises than if you tell me to, if you hand me a leaflet and go, here's 5 exercises, go and do them 3 times a day. Probably not going to adhere to that much. Whereas if you make it specific to me and I can do some passing as well, or I can chuck a tennis ball up in the air, anything that makes it specific to me, I'm probably more likely going to do it. So I'm really passionate about that. I'd really like to make things really specific and that, you kind of look forward to doing it. So, it doesn't have to be all, I have to go and do my rehab now. Like, I want to make it so you go, I get to go and do my rehab now. Like, what can I do? How can I make it different this week? Like, look how exciting I've got it this week compared to last week and how I'm moving forward. I like to see how excited people get when they do progress onto the next stage. So it's very good to have a clear step-by-step guidance onto that. So that's what we do in the sports therapy side of things. So we fix those underlying issues that may be causing your pain to get you where you want to go basically. And you know, massage is a brilliant supplement to that. So it is great for your recovery from really tough sessions, or you know, to improve the circulation, to optimize that healing. And it's sometimes something that we use in clinic in sports therapy as well. So, you know, we really believe in it, but it's not always the answer. So it's a great supplement to everything else that we do, but we use it in a holistic approach. So it's a part of what we do. It's part of our toolbox, basically, of what we use to help you recover. So it is really brilliant as part of your maintenance routine, and to keep you, you know, healthy, and to keep you flexible, and to keep you moving properly. But it's not always the answer to your specific pain. So if you've got a specific problem that you want to come and talk to us about, then please give us a chat, give us a call for a no obligation chat. Or if you've got any other questions about it, then please pop them down below and I'll try and answer them. Or, you know, send us an email or anything like that. But yeah, I'd love to know your questions, and if you've got anything else that you need to know, then just let me know. All right, guys, take care. Bye.